Welcome to cleaning my makeup brushes and makeup sponges with me. Let's peel with water. Kay gamay ang tubod sa gripo. So peel with water. Shower gel for cleaning the makeup brushes and makeup sponges. Yes, and this is the Tematalia makeup brush. Free lang ni sa Unicorn makeup brushes. Namin mo ni nga brand sa makeup brushes and also this. Of course. Quick ko na. It's time na gid man nalimpyuhan. Bata. Idilyo ko na. I'm back. Gulpi, nag-memory full ang akon na phone. So, gitapos ko na lang without vlogging. Off cam. Gitapos ko na lang off cam. Ano ba? Dila ko na lang ipa-dry. Tarang. And that's it for tonight. See you on my next vlog. Bye!